Setting up auto deposit Scotiabank is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, if you are setting up automatic deposits from another financial institution or a third party, such as your employer or a government agency, you will need to contact them. They will provide you with the necessary forms and information to set up the automatic deposits. Scotiabank typically requires you to fill out a pre-authorized deposit form to set up automatic deposits. You can obtain this form from your Scotiabank branch or download it from the Scotiabank website. On the PAT form, you will need to provide your Scotiabank account information, including your account number and transit number. You will also need to provide information about the source of funds, such as the name of the institution or organization and the account number. Sign and date the PAT form to authorize Scotiabank to automatically deposit funds into your account. Make sure to review the form carefully and ensure that all information is accurate. Submit the form. Once you have completed the PAT form, submit it to Scotiabank as per their instructions. You may need to mail the form to a specific address or drop it off at your Scotiabank branch. Monitor your account. After setting up automatic deposits, monitor your Scotiabank account to ensure that the funds are being deposited as expected. You can view your account activity online through the Scotiabank mobile app or by contacting Scotiabank customer service. If you need to make changes to the automatic deposit arrangement or cancel it altogether, contact Scotiabank to request any necessary adjustments or to terminate the PAT authorization.